Hey guys, welcome to an unboxing of the Wahoo Kickr Axis feet. So this one was a bit late, Christmas gift from the wife. And these were apparently selling pretty well. So inside we have a small, middle, and large axis top caps. Instructions we don't need. The rear axis foot and the front axis foot in there. Again, small, medium, large. And it's at default at medium, so this is important to remember. This takes a 6mm to thread. A lot of people were complaining that the medium wasn't doing too much. So first thing I did was switch it out to the small size. And with the intent to hopefully get a better action out of it. I know DC Rainmaker didn't really feel that there was much of a difference, so I went with small to see if that can improve that. And my base was cracked. As you note, all these are pretty substantial over the old plastic feet. Kind of neat. Kind of see how cheap the feet were before. This is just a little hard plastic. And you'll see how beefy the new one is. Quite substantial. So some Swifting here. Apologize, a little off sync here. But you can see with some good efforts, there is some side-to-side motion. Got both angles here, left to right. Again, actually made a huge difference. So with the small, it feels awesome. It feels like it's not as stiff compared to the old Kickr 2018 setup. And you can see I have laminated wood floors, and with the Wahoo mat, there's quite a bit of motion left to right. Now, I know that these feet have to get a little bit more elevated. So what's the verdict? Do the Kickr Action feet actually do anything? Yes. If you want more of a natural feel, they do. Will it change your life? Absolutely not. But I will have to disagree with DC Rainmaker that they do offer some change. Enjoy.